Welcome to Rishs International School, Arcot, where young minds grow with confidence and excellence. Sit in a safe and eco-friendly campus, Rishs offers a joyful and inspiring environment for meaningful learning. Our world-class infrastructure, smart classrooms, and modern facilities create the perfect space for academic success. At Rishs, we believe every child is unique. Our highly qualified and caring teachers provide individual attention and innovative teaching that makes learning engaging and effective. Beyond academics, we focus on holistic development from sports and yoga to Silambam, arts and cultural activities. Every child gets the opportunity to explore talents and build confidence. We nurture discipline, values, creativity, and leadership, shaping students into responsible and future ready individuals. Admissions are now open for the academic year 2026 27. Give your child the advantage of quality education and a brighter tomorrow. Rishs International School, learn with joy, lead and confidence.